A resume and references aren't unreasonable, sir.
Especially in this job market.
All that for cookies?
Evil cookies.
Sweet! I'll go get the evil milk.
We must procure assistance.
We don't have time for that. Let's just get help.
Orbot! No, you imbecile. I don't want you to shred this. It's the key to our future. Do you know what this is?
Robotic women who love us for our minds and aren't into looks or money?
No. Our home, and by that I mean my home, is going to be featured in Modern Lair magazine. Here, read the exposition.
A photographer's assistant will do a site inspection tomorrow to consider you for our Island Fortress issue.
Let's give this lair some flair. When you bots are done with my boots, make sure my roller coaster's in tip-top shape. I'm gonna need help from someone with a real feel for color and shape. Definitely gonna have to outsource this one.
Maybe a little.
But do we really need that?
I've never felt so free.
A 40-hour work week for the cherubs?
Sounds like your kind of people.
Oh, I'm a huge fan of his work. I must make him my minion. He could destroy entire cities. And clean my rain gutters. They're hard to reach. Cubot, Orbot, go capture him.
Why us? There's no way we could catch that behemoth.
Well, not with a negative attitude like that. Now get moving. Left, right, left, right.
He always says left, right, yet we have no legs. That's hurtful.
Release the Beatbots.
After you've returned your seat and tray table to the upright position. Might be time to turn on the fasten seatbelt sign and head back to the lair.
Hey, boss, who's your leafy lady friend?
Stop flapping your hinges. Since you two botched the capture of the rock monster, I need the peace and quiet of my meditation garden to calm my nerves.
May I say, sir, it's working like a charm.
He'll want us to put the leaves back on. I'll go get the glue gun.
Dr. Eggman, you're awake!
We had to drag you back home. It was spring break all over again.
I'm not Eggman, I'm Sonic.
He's pretending to be Sonic again.
Well, I'm not gonna be Amy this time.
I'm telling you, I'm Sonic. Eggman switched brains with me. I mean, I switched bodies with Eggman.
Hang on. Did you switch brains or did you switch bodies?
Both.
Well then, nothing's changed.
Listen, Gear Brain.
Definitely Eggman.
I really appreciate you guys lending me the Eggmobile. I have no idea how Eggman gets around in this flotation device he calls a body.
Did he just say he appreciates us?
I'm thinking this might not be Eggman after all. Could someone else be in his body? And if so, who?
Perhaps it's time we bid our foes adieu.
No time! We gotta get out of here!
Well, what are you waiting for?
We're programmed only to obey orders after being threatened.
All right, then. Nobody gets hurt or somebody's gonna get hurt!
Yes, sir!
Everything okay?
Nothing a little solder and a kind word couldn't fix.
Not you, you idiot!
I feel better already.
Quit clanking your bolts! I'm chatting with my new buddy, who, unlike you, is very intelligent.
Hey! You told me you forgot the Wi-Fi password! Were you also lying when you said cartoons would rot our head think boxes?
What shall we do in your absence?
Yeah, and what are we gonna do when you're gone?
Try this video game. You run, roll, and collect rings as fast as you can.
Ah, that sounds terrible. Rock Donut Thursday?
Rock, donut, Thursday, shoot! I win. Rock smashes donut.
No. Donut makes rock delicious. Huh?
Virus detected.
Dr. Eggman, your friend is evil.
Yeah? So am I. Goes with the territory of being an evil genius.
He's plotting against you.
And he stole your coffee mug, which I then found and am not lying about right now.
Robot Crab, I told you to see a doctor. Now you've got pink eye, too.
An evil virus has taken control of Eggman's lair and is about to destroy the entire world. Yeah, and no slacking. I'll be back to check on you when the battle's over.
Cubot, might I say you look dashing in 16-bit.
Actually, it's 17-bit.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, what if the princess is in another castle?
Get in the plane.
Button!
Any last words, friend?
Yes, up, down, left, right, B, A, start. I ain't fighting him.
Neither am I.
Rock Donut Thursday?
Rock, donut, Thursday, shoot!
I win. Donuts are half price on Thursday.
No, the donut store's closed on Thursday.
This game, it makes no sense.
Rock, donut, Thursday, shoot! Rock smashes Thursday.
You can't use Thursday. It's not an object.
Ooh, nice move. But you forgot about leap year.
Logical reasoning impossible. Game incredibly stupid. Too stupid. Fatal error.
Once again, I've led us to victory.
Hey, there's no I in multiplayer.